Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we dissect market movements with technical analysis and current events. Today, December 3rd, 2024, we will look at Litecoin's price action. The daily chart showcases a recent surge in LTCUSD's price, exceeding $130 for the first time in years. Notice the significant increase in trading volume accompanying this price jump, suggesting strong buying pressure. Let's zoom in on the past week's data to see the recent trend. This is where we see the sharp increase in Litecoin's value. Now, let's shift to the hourly chart for a more granular perspective on the price movements. We see a lot of short-term volatility. Notice the consolidation periods on the hourly chart interspersed with these sharp price movements. This reveals a battle between buyers and sellers. The 15-minute chart shows even more detail and more volatility. Here you can spot more specific candlestick patterns that might be used as signals for trading. Correlating the charts with the news, we see that the price increase coincides with increased discussion of a spot Litecoin ETF and the anticipation of the halving event. The excitement surrounding Litecoin's potential approval as an ETF fueled speculation and increased trading volume. The approaching halving event, a programmed reduction in Litecoin's issuance rate, typically creates scarcity and hence a bullish sentiment. Based on the charts, we can identify key support levels around $70 and $80 and resistance levels around $100 and $120. However, these levels can shift based on market conditions and news. The hourly chart shows potential areas of short-term support and resistance within these levels. The 15-minute chart shows potential entry and exit points for scalpers. The daily chart shows potential long-term support and resistance levels. In the short term, there is strong bullish momentum if the price holds above $120 and breaks above resistance. However, a bearish reversal is possible if the price closes below $110, which might take the price down to $90 or even $80. In the long term, the halving event could lead to further price appreciation, potentially pushing Litecoin's value significantly higher, but the overall market sentiment will also influence the price. It's crucial to monitor the volume, which reveals the strength of price movements. Higher volume is usually associated with more conviction. A decrease in volume, even with sustained price increases, might indicate weakening bullish pressure. To summarize, key short-term price levels to watch are around $110 and $120. If the price stays above $120, it can go up to $130. If the price breaks below $110, it could go down to $90 or $80. Long-term support is around $70 to $80 and resistance is around $100 to $120. Keep an eye on the news and events, particularly the ETF approval and the halving event, as they influence the market sentiment and price action. In addition, pay attention to the overall cryptocurrency market, as Litecoin's price is usually correlated with Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies.